Do not mark. When you finish, when you hit 437, go north on 437 and catch 450. Got your vehicle? Take off. Make sure and let them know that we're under.
I've seen the dogs. How you doing, sir?
All right.
With the Arkansas National Guard, we're just going around from house to house, make sure everybody knows there's a bull alert on your water.
Good deal. Now that I've poisoned myself.
He did get sick yesterday.
Really, sir? I'm sorry to hear that.
It's all right. No big deal.
Just let you know, sir.
All right.
Y'all need anything? Everything okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Good deal. Good to hear.
We live at the end of the road, so we're all right.
Good to hear, sir.
Opportunity, sir. Try to pass that along.
Okay.
Let them know.
How you doing, ma'am?
Good, all right.
We're with the Arkansas National Guard, and we're just coming down to let you know that there's a boil ban in effect for the water.
Okay, well, we have well water.
Then you're fine.
Yeah.
Good deal. Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's great.
Good, good.
How you fellas
Appreciate y'all
doing?
very much.
Good.
Yes, sir.
We're doing fine. We got a kid over in Rack.
Yeah.
We see him close. Make him stick that
Make me want to run out and start hugging you.
He's 38 years old, so he's not a kid.
Well, he's been in the Army ever since he was 19. That's his life. That's what he tells me. I'm a
Know that
soldier,
feeling.
Mom. That's what I do.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good,
Is there
sir.
anything we can do for y'all?
No, ma'am.
We're doing good.
Please don't bite me in my butt, dog. They've been in their family vehicle, which it looks like the vehicle they've been using out here. Yeah, that's the same. Oh, I hate dogs. How you doing, sir? We're the Arkansas National Guard. We're going from house to house, sir, to let everybody know there's a boil ban. A boil ban. Boil your water before you drink it.
Even on the record, well?
You're fine then, sir. No worries. Have a good day.
Thank y'all anyway.
Yes, sir.
Give me a sound check. Count to 10.
Test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. All right, just talk to me about what you're doing here today.
Today we've been driving down these dirt roads, cleaning out, making sure that there's nobody that's trapped in their houses or anything like that, and doing our best to clear the roads.
Okay, you tell me from DeQueen, Arkansas, what made you volunteer to come all the way up here to the Northeast?
Well, I wasn't doing anything else, and needing a little bit of money is getting bored. Not doing anything, just getting back from Iraq. Got to do something.
So as well as getting a paycheck, helping folks out, does that talk to me about that?
Well, I remember, I believe it was in 2001 that we had the same ice storm there, and we needed all the help we could get, and trees down and everything else. So, I mean, it's just, if they was in my shoes back then, they are now. So, there we go.
You know how long you're going to be here?
I'm not sure yet. I'm guessing probably around 10 days is what they're saying.
Okay. Give me your rank, specialist, first
Specialist.
name.
Joshua.
Joshua.
Roger.
Bullard's last name from DeQueen, Arkansas. And what's
Right.
your home unit? Charlie Company,
Charlie Company.
minus?
Charlie Company, Det 1.
Charlie
out
Company,
of
Det
DeQueen.
1.
Mhm.
Okay. First 153rd.
Roger that.
give me your specialist. What's your first name?
Alan.
A-L-L-E-N?
A-L-A-N.
A-L-A-N.
Yes, sir.
Last name?
Alderson.
What's your hometown?
Russell, Arkansas.
What's your home unit?
Me in Arkansas. Charlie Company, 1st 153.
Okay. Talk to me about what you're doing here today.
We're just out here driving these county roads, clearing them so people have a pathway to get to town so they can get food and water and stuff like that and make sure everybody's all right and doing good.
Did you volunteer to be a part of this?
Roger.
What for?
Just to help out. I mean, it's what I signed up to do. I mean, what we're National Guards for is to get, if we stuff like this get called out, national emergencies, help people out.
Cool. Well, you are a superstar. Okay, any idea how long you're gonna be here?
They said 7 days. It could be more. What we heard today, possible. We don't know.